Have you ever wondered why your life seems to unfold in the way it does? You try to control the outcome, but things don't always go according to plan. The answer to this confusion lies in something incredibly simple, yet profoundly powerful: the words you repeat to yourself. In this video, we will dive deep into Neville Goddard's teachings on the power of words, specifically focusing on the 2 words that God Himself has placed within you. These words, when repeated with true understanding and faith, have the power to turn your life around. Let's explore how these words can shift your reality, align you with divine purpose, and manifest the changes you desire. You won't want to miss the transformative power of this knowledge, so stay tuned, subscribe, and let's begin this life-altering journey. Understanding the law of assumption. The law of assumption, a central concept in Neville Goddard's teachings, states that the key to transforming your life lies in assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Neville believed that whatever we assume to be true about ourselves and our lives becomes our reality. But why does this work? When we assume something to be true, we align ourselves with that assumption on a subconscious level. Our mind doesn't differentiate between reality and imagination, so what we believe and feel becomes true for us. The mind is a powerful tool, and when you consciously choose your assumptions, you can reshape your world. In this scene, it is important to understand that the 2 words God has put within you are not random. They are specifically chosen to trigger a shift in your consciousness and bring about the changes you seek. Let's now explore these 2 words. The 2 words that God has put in you. What are these 2 words that can turn your life around? The 2 words are, I am. These 2 words hold immense power. I am is not just a statement. It is a declaration of existence, identity, and authority. God, in His infinite wisdom, chose these 2 words to be at the core of your being. By uttering them, you align yourself with the divine source of creation. When you say, I am, you are not just acknowledging your presence in the world, but also activating a divine creative force within you. In the Bible, God reveals His name as, I am that I am, Exodus 3:14. This declaration signifies that God is the source of all existence. By claiming the same words for yourself, you tap into that divine power to create your reality. It's not about wishing or hoping. It's about fully embodying the power of being. When you repeatedly say, I am, you're invoking your divine identity. You are one with the Creator, and the universe responds to your self-concept. Now, let's explore how to effectively use these words to change your life. Repeating I am with purpose. The key to the power of I am is repetition with purpose. Simply saying these words isn't enough. Your subconscious mind must feel the truth in your words. This means that every time you say, I am, you must do so with belief and emotion. Neville Goddard taught that the subconscious mind accepts what you impress upon it. When you repeatedly declare, I am, followed by a positive affirmation, you program your subconscious mind to bring those desires into your physical reality. For example, saying, I am wealthy, I am healthy, or I am successful with full conviction will gradually transform your external circumstances to match these internal beliefs. The more you repeat these affirmations with purpose, the more they will become ingrained in your subconscious, shifting your thoughts and actions in alignment with your desired outcome. In this scene, we focus on building the habit of repetition with intention. The impact of I am on your self-identity. Your self-identity is everything. It defines how you perceive the world and how the world perceives you. I am declarations help you shape your self-image. Imagine seeing yourself as a wealthy, capable, and confident individual. Your actions, thoughts, and decisions will naturally follow suit, aligning with that self-concept. But what if you see yourself as unworthy, unsuccessful, or incapable? The energy behind the words I am is incredibly influential, and when you attach limiting beliefs to them, you may find that your circumstances reflect those limitations. This is why it's crucial to monitor what follows after I am. In this scene, we explore how you can reshape your identity by consciously declaring positive affirmations and fostering a self-concept that aligns with your highest potential. Repeating I am is not just about manifesting things, but about stepping into the highest version of yourself. The role of belief in manifestation. Belief is the driving force behind manifestation. Neville Goddard emphasized that belief is a prerequisite for the law of assumption to work effectively. If you say, I am wealthy, but don't believe it, you're not tapping into the full potential of your words. Belief is more than a mental agreement. It's a deep emotional connection with your desire. To believe, you must feel the truth of your words. How would you feel if you were truly living the life of abundance, health, and peace that you desire? Feel that emotion as you say, "I am," and allow it to flood your being. In this scene, we focus on how to strengthen belief through emotional alignment. We practice using the words "I am" and feeling the emotions associated with them. This is the key to unlocking the power within your words. Shifting your reality with "I am." When you start declaring "I am" with belief, something incredible happens. Your outer reality begins to shift. This is not magic. It's the law of assumption in action. Your inner world creates your outer world, and by consciously changing your thoughts and self-concept, you begin to see tangible results. This scene explores how to use "I am" declarations to manifest your desires in real life. Whether you want to improve your finances, health, or relationships, "I am" is the catalyst for change. Repetition, belief, and emotion combine to bring your desires into form. In this scene, we discuss the practical steps of aligning your thoughts, words, and actions to create a reality that mirrors your divine intentions. Overcoming doubt and resistance. One of the greatest challenges when using "I am" is overcoming doubt and resistance. Your mind may question the validity of your declarations, especially if you've been living in a reality that contradicts your new affirmations. This is where persistence and faith come in. Neville Goddard emphasized that even when doubts arise, you must remain unwavering in your belief. The world may not immediately reflect your new assumptions, but that does not mean you should stop declaring "I am." The key is to remain faithful to your inner truth, knowing that your subconscious mind is working behind the scenes to align your reality with your thoughts. In this scene, we talk about how to manage resistance and doubt by strengthening your faith and continuing to declare "I am" with conviction. The more you persist, the more your reality will begin to change. "I am" as a spiritual tool. "I am" is not just a manifestation tool, it is a spiritual practice that connects you with the divine. When you declare "I am," you are invoking your connection to God, the source of all creation. This sacred declaration acknowledges that you are a vessel for divine energy, and through your words, you participate in the creative process of the universe. In this scene, we explore how "I am" can be used as a spiritual practice to deepen your connection with God. Each declaration is an act of reverence and an affirmation of your divine nature. To wrap up, the power of "I am" lies in its simplicity and profound impact on your life. By repeating these two words, you can align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your highest self. The law of assumption teaches us that our beliefs shape our reality, and when you assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, you begin to manifest the life you desire. Remember, these two words, "I am," are not just words, they are divine power. You hold within you the ability to turn things around, to shift your life in any direction you choose. All you need to do is repeat these words with faith and belief, and watch as your world transforms before your eyes. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Repeating "I am" is the key to unlocking your divine potential. Start today and see how your life changes.